how to use AI for daily tasks. So there are different kind of AI applications that you can use for your daily work. Right now I'm using ChatGPT, but there are also other AI tools available, for example, Gemini, Perplexity AI, and many more. You can use AI for planning and productivity, learning and research, and so on. Use AI to plan your day, ask for a simple to-do list with priorities, or you can even turn your own messy notes into clear action steps. You can summarize long emails or articles into quick takeaways, or you can entirely generate your email. Now, email is also connected with Gemini. Go to your email and click on Compose at the top left corner. Now, you will see a Compose menu like this. Click on Help Me Write. Now, at the bottom, you need to give a prompt. I'm just gonna write a simple prompt, but you can write your email for sick leaves or any other occasions. I'm just gonna show you guys by writing a sick leave letter to my boss. After you have written your prompt, click on Create. It will take very less time to generate an email for you. You can still refine and recreate the email, but if you like it, click on Insert. So that's all for today. Thank you.